Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to learn about finance settings. So finance settings is basically for estimates, invoices and credit notes. So first up in finance settings we have invoice logo. So this logo you will see, for example, if you go on to invoices and click on any invoice, so you will see your logo over here. Next up we have the invoice prefix and invoice number digits. So if you open any invoice, you can see in the right corner that is the invoice number, so you can modify it according to your need. For example, you can change the number of digits to 3 to 4, so you can see how it will reflect in the actual invoice by seeing the invoice number example. Then we have the estimate prefix and credit note prefix, so it will work in the similar manner as that of invoice. Next we have the due after option. So it by default is set for 15 days, but if you go to invoices and you create a new invoice, you can select over here the due date. You can customize the due date according to your need, but by default it will be set after 15 days. Then next we have the send reminder, so you can type in the number of days before the due date you want the reminder to be sent. For example, I'm setting here 4 days. Then we have the change language option, the language of the invoice. Now next we have send reminder after and send reminder every. If you select send reminder after and type in the number of days, the reminder will be sent after the 3 days of the invoice date. Now if you select send reminder every and type in the number of days, for example I am writing 7, so reminder will be sent every 7 days till the due date. Next we have show tax number on invoice. So if you want to enable this option, you will have to go to business address settings. Then you will have to see this tax name and tax. For sample I have taken this tax name and the sample number. Then you have to click on the save option. Then in finance settings, if you enable this option and save the settings, you can see the tax name and tax number is written over here. Now if you want to enable or disable this option, you can select accordingly. Next we have the HSN code option. So if you want an HSN column in your invoice, you can enable or disable this option. The HSN code column will be shown like this in the invoice. Next we have the show tax calculation message. So tax calculation message will be shown like this in the invoice, so you can enable or disable this option accordingly. Then we have the template, so you can select from these many templates the template that suits you the most. Then next we have the client info to show on invoice, so you can select all the information that you want to show in the invoice. Now in the last we have terms and condition. You can customize any message that you want to see in the invoice. The message will be written over here. Now you can click on to save option and you have completed the finance settings.